Hello everybody, Dr. Costanzo here, coming at you with our new Trick of the Week feature, where every week we will show you a different tip or trick to help you navigate your orthodontic treatment. Today we're going to talk about keeping clear aligners and clear retainers fresh and clean. Really 3 things you want to do to keep them fresh and clean. First, every time you take them out of your mouth, rinse the saliva off. Get that saliva off of there. Step 2, you want to brush them at least once a day. And then step 3, you can use a cleaning tablet like Retainer Brite. You can get this retainerbrite.com or from Amazon. And the way these work is you just want to pop them open. And I like to clean them right in my case because it freshens the case at the same time. So drop that tablet in there. And then I'm gonna fill it with water. And usually either room temperature water or slightly warm water. If it's too hot, it could potentially melt or warp the aligner. And then you're going to want to wait 10 minutes. Ten minutes.